In today's video, I'll show you how to use Granola AI with Microsoft Teams. First, search for Granola AI Notepad in your browser. Once you're on the home page, click Download for Windows or Download for Mac, depending on your device. After the download finishes, open the file from your Downloads folder. The installation will begin automatically. Wait for it to complete, as it may take a minute. Once installed, the app will open on its own. Now you need to log in. There are 3 login options: Google, Microsoft, or SSO. Check the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Select Sign in with Microsoft and log in using your account. When you see the message, "This site is trying to open Granola," click Open to return to the app. Granola will then recommend connecting your calendar. Click Connect Calendar so Granola can display your upcoming meetings and help you take notes. You will be redirected to your browser and asked if you want to allow the app to access your information. Click Accept. Wait for it to load, then click Open again to return to the app. You will now be on the home screen and can start taking notes. Click Quick Note, then click OK when prompted. During your Microsoft Teams meeting, enter keywords or short notes as the discussion happens. You can click Show Transcript to view what is being said in real time. To close it, click the line icon or select Close Transcript. When the meeting ends, click the box icon or Stop Transcript, then click Generate Notes. Granola will analyze the transcript and create your notes automatically. If you want to use a template, click the Enhanced Notes icon and choose from the suggestions. To see more templates, click All Templates, scroll down, select one, and click Apply Template. Granola will regenerate your notes using the selected template. Return to the home screen and you will see your newly created notes. And that's it! That's how you use Granola AI with Microsoft Teams.